Inside this box are the manual, the annex cards which has the specifications for the appliances you're gonna buy. So everything is up to standard. We also prepared snacks. At the Granite International. This is the other unit. The whole space is in the receptionist. Here, then we'll check the other one after.
It's the same as sa Gateway Region System Corporation po. So, bali hindi lang po si Jazz po, hindi kayo na